located in the Country Club of Arkansas. This all-brick one-level home has lots of space for family and entertaining. The entry leads into the great room with tray ceiling, crown molding, gas starter fireplace and beautiful hardwood floors. French doors lead out to the private patio and fenced backyard. The kitchen features 2 work areas, Corian countertops, custom cabinets, breakfast bar and a spacious eating area by a sunny window. A separate formal dining area is conveniently located to the kitchen for serving. The large master bedroom has tray ceiling, walk-in closet and large ensuite bath featuring a whirlpool tub, separate shower and double vanity. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. The laundry room is located just off the kitchen. This home has a private rear entry, 2-car garage. Close to the golf course, walking paths and Maumelle shopping makes this home a must-see for your future home.